Watch until the end of this video and I will tell you how you can increase your masculine energy. But first, here are signs that you don't have enough masculine energy. If you have trouble speaking your mind and telling other people what you actually think and believe, you might be suffering from low masculine energy. Masculine energy makes you assertive and confident in yourself, so if you lack these things, it could be a sign of low masculine energy. Masculine energy helps you set and achieve goals. So if you have trouble setting goals or achieving goals, you might have low masculine energy. Having trouble making decisions is another sign that you may have low masculine energy. Someone with low masculine energy has trouble setting healthy boundaries and saying no to things that they know they shouldn't do. Someone with low masculine energy has trouble with willpower. And if they do set a goal, they have trouble saying no to things that will interfere with that goal. For example, they may set a goal of losing weight, but then struggle staying on a healthy diet. Someone with low masculine energy will engage in self-destructive behaviors. Masculine energy actually has a lot to do with taking care of yourself and having compassion for yourself and for other people. So if you have low masculine energy, you will have trouble taking care of yourself and you will do things that are self-destructive. If you have trouble dealing with conflict, you may have low masculine energy. Having high masculine energy helps you to be strong and stay calm in the face of difficulty. Someone with low masculine energy has low confidence in themselves and they have low confidence in their own abilities. Having a low self-opinion may also stem from having low masculine energy. If you have trouble controlling your emotions, that may be because you have low masculine energy. A person who has high masculine energy will be more capable of understanding and controlling their own emotions and actions. This is also called emotional intelligence. And high masculine energy will also help you effectively communicate with other people. So if you have trouble in these areas, it may be a sign that you have a low level of masculine energy. People with low masculine energy are afraid to take risks or try new things. Low masculine energy will make you lack the confidence that you need, and you won't be brave enough to try new things that you may not be good at. So if you think that you have low masculine energy and you want to increase your own masculine energy, here are some things that you can do. Practice speaking your mind and telling other people what you really think. Instead of telling people what you think that they want to hear, tell them how you really feel. This will increase your masculine energy because it will help you stop caring so much about what other people think about you. Set a goal and see it through. Start with something small. For example, if your room is a mess, set a goal to clean your room. If that is too much, then break it down into a smaller goal. So, for example, just clean one corner of your room, and then after you achieve that goal, move on to another goal. For example, clean another corner of your room, and then keep doing this until you have cleaned your entire room. Doing this will increase your masculine energy because setting and achieving goals comes from having high masculine energy. It will boost your self-confidence and allow you to move on to tackle even higher goals. Make decisions quickly and change your mind slowly. So for example, instead of trying to do something and then quitting halfway through before you finish it, make sure that you finish each task until it is completed. Practice saying no to things that you know that you shouldn't do. For example, if you know that you should go to the gym and work out, but somebody invites you over to hang out instead, tell that person no and go to the gym anyway. Make sure to like this video and hit subscribe for more great psychology videos if you have enjoyed this video. And then click here for more great psychology tips, and I will see you in the next video.